Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Mental Slavery is the name of this one by Governor from his H.A.M.A.N.T.S album. That album was released this year, and obviously we like the album because this is our third song review off of that one album. Matter of fact, let me tell you like this. Reggae dancehall music, of course. Music with a meaning, of course. If I was to choose my two favorite albums right now, where I'm going to go off on an island and just be isolated, and I had a choice to bring two albums with me right now, it would be H.A.M.A.N.T.S by Governor and Tutanisha by Vybz Kartel. The album is fully up. This single in particular is one of the singles why I like this so much. So pen and paper review without further ado. Has this world gone insane? Praying, but it seems like it's all in vain. Still I put my faith in Jah, as everything him tell me if it call him name. Enough of them get trapped by social media, get lost while searching for fame. Jah bless, I grow the youths them, what a thing. Nothing, not the same. Nobody cares about human rights. They only care about Instagram views and likes. Yo, me not even watch the news at night. Tired for hear the youths them a shoot and fight. Nowadays it's so hard to find a wife. It seems every girl have a price. They all want to live the Kardashian life. Right now, this world needs Christ. Oh Lord, can you hear me? Oh Lord, may I beg you, save we. Oh Lord, protect we daily, cause enough of them get caught in a mental slavery. That was just the first verse of this song, and I'm telling you that the song is powerful. Let me go on to the next verse, which is the final verse, before I actually start break down the whole concept of the song and how I feel about not just the song, but the video as well. The last verse says, black man, not safe in this world. And that me realize. So many years of racism still alive. Me say religion, a division, so be wise. Cause the whole of we are one in a Jaja eyes. Me no listen to the media. Nobody tell me about no politician neither. Cause them a liar and deceivers. Jaja are the only true leader. Oh Lord, can you hear me? Oh Lord, I beg you save we. Oh Lord, protect we daily. Cause enough of them get caught in a mental slavery. When this video, first of all, let me say the video is clean quality, and it is something that has gotten me to really get to like this particular artist in well. Everybody knows say I'm a big Vybz Kartel fan, and I'm a big Vybz Kartel fan because of his ability to put lyrics that resonate in songs, his ability to always drop quality music. And I am getting to realize that Governor is the same way. Check back. Every video that Governor has dropped for any song he ever put out, the videos them always clean. The representation, the presentation, the quality of the work, clean. And with that said, the concept of the videos. I mean, there are so many dancehall videos where Gala shake her ass in the video and she boom flick and split and all these things. And that has come to be known as dancehall. Not knocking anybody that does that, because Governor himself has videos that contains that kind of content as well. But when the video has a storyline where it seems like it's a small movie. For instance, this particular video for mental slavery, the video starts off. When you watch the video, you will see a female driving. And most females nowadays are so caught up with their phone, whether it's taking a selfie or it's FaceTiming with their favorite girlfriend, homegirl, or that kind of stuff. Even shopping or just scrolling Instagram, social media, Facebook, YouTube while they're driving their vehicle. You know what I'm saying? The video starts out like that, where the female is engaged with her phone, so much so while driving she doesn't even see a guy crossing the street. She lick over the guy. She get into an accident where she is hurt in the vehicle. And then the video goes into another part right away where people are on the scene of a hurt individual inside of a vehicle. And instead of them saying, yo, give me your phone, call 119, which is Jamaica, or 911, call some emergency help, or somebody put her in another vehicle and get her to a hospital quick, or does anybody know how to do CPR? Anything like that. No. The standard for us has become pull out your phone and record, no matter how grotesque the accident scene is. So no matter if face bloody, hand pop off, head bust out, majority of people on the scene have their video cameras out, pronouncing the person, yeah man, him dead, she dead enough, she not breathe, and they haven't even checked, right? So it goes to, me I put this up on social media first, later, me want to put this up first, cause see how many views and likes I can get. That's what it's come to. So in the grand scheme of things then, the video captures the whole concept of us becoming so engaged in that type of a behavior rather than helping each other. Even when we are in desperate need of help and it can be seen. You know what I'm saying? There's a part in the video though that is my favorite part, because I've seen this so many times out in public. Women paying more attention to their electronic devices than they are paying to their children. The children are pretty much being raised by a tablet. Every child has a tablet now, small children, right? And those who can afford it, the children have the iTablets and these kind of things. So, in the video, you will see the little boy pine for his mom's attention. That's all the little picnic want. That's all the little boy wanted, was his mother's attention. But she is so caught up in scrolling social media that she gives her son his tablet, turned the tablet on, gave it to him, and he walks right out the house door. Walks right out the house door and into traffic, into a shootout, into all kind of something that go on outside. She didn't even know where her son went, and now she's about to run outside screaming, oh God, them run over baby, them kill me, baby. You know what I'm saying? And in the song, I also like the fact that that chorus line is so powerful, because everybody nowadays has gotten to a place where they feel like God is not needed anymore, or a relationship with the Almighty Creator is not needed anymore. Now, I don't care what religion you are or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But understand that all religion are calling out to God, to the Almighty Creator, whether you call him Buddha, Krishna, Jesus, or whatever your religion calls him, or sees him as, or sees the Almighty as. So, I like that part. He's actually in a dancehall song, asks God to save us. In a dancehall song, it's asking God to help us. In a dancehall song, it's asking God to protect us daily. He is aware that the world has gone crazy. Very, very powerful song. You know what I'm saying? I like the lyrics of the song, the concept, the song is well put together. That last verse is so on time right now. Black man not safe in this world, he said, me get to realize. So many years of racism still alive. And then he goes on to say, religion is division. And we must all remember that we are one people in the eyes of the Almighty Creator. So the Almighty Creator creates. There are so many jewels in this song. So many jewels in the song. Click the link in the description and go and listen to the entire song, please. If you listen to the song, then come back and make a comment pertaining to the song. What was your favorite line in this song? Mental Slavery by Governor on his H.A.M.A.N.T.S album for 2020. One of the best songs out of Jamaica in the genre of dancehall reggae music for this year 2020 so far. The award goes to Governor for sure for Mental Slavery, for one of the best out right now. Tell me if that talk sense. And I am so glad to see Governor, who's been in this business for a while now, actually take center stage right now. This I don't know how he come up overnight artists will just blow up. This is an artist that understands the business. He's well vetted. We know that, right? And here he is, shining before us all, making music that will be around for years to come. Let me close this video by saying this. It is very rewarding. It is very pleasing to see when a brother go from just jumping at the music business to growth and maturity over the years. So you go through the one bag of girl song, you go through the one bag of X-rated song, you go through the one bag of gun song, bust out man head song, and then the maturity shows. And then he gets to a place where he can close huge events. No. Close your eyes and visualize SouFLoTV or any big concert, Best of the Best in Miami, which is an annual event, being closed. Last artist to perform on the stage, his whole catalog, and close out the show for the night with, "Oh Lord, can you hear me? Oh Lord, me I beg you save me. Oh Lord, protect we daily. Cause enough for them caught in a mental slavery." Something heavy to go home being conscious about, don't it? Leave your comments in the comment section below. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.